I spent too many years hiding in the mirror light, picking myself apart in the middle of the night. But my body carried me through every rise and fall, and now I'm finally learning to love it all. These legs keep moving me forward every day. This heart keeps beating even when I lose my way. Every scar and stretch mark tells a story true. I'm not broken, I'm still becoming. I release the shame, I let the pressure go. I don't need permission to love the skin I'm in and let it show. I am worthy of love and respect. I am beautiful just as I am, strong and capable, walking proud, standing tall again. I trust my body, I honor what it needs. I'm becoming the best version of me, beautiful, strong and bodylicious. That's who I choose to be. That's who I choose to be. No more chasing every standard on a screen. No more fighting who I was always meant to be. I choose kindness when I hear that inner voice, and every single day I make a brand new choice to celebrate the woman I've become inside, to stop measuring my worth by someone else's size. My body is a temple worthy of my care, and for the very first time I feel at home in here. I release the fear, I let comparison fade. There's power in acceptance and freedom when you stop living afraid. I am worthy of love and respect. I am beautiful just as I am, strong and capable, walking proud, standing tall again. I trust my body, I honor what it needs. I'm becoming the best version of me, beautiful, strong and bodylicious. That's who I choose to be. I am grateful for this healthy living body, for every breath and every step I take. I choose to see the beauty in my reflection and love myself a little more each day. No perfection, no apology, no more shrinking who I am. I was made to shine, made to rise, made to fully take my stand. I am worthy of love and respect. No matter what my body looks like, I celebrate every imperfection, every curve, every line. I am confident in my own skin, and I won't hide anymore. Beautiful, strong and bodylicious. I'm finally knowing my worth. Beautiful, strong, bodylicious, and becoming more of myself every single